streaming them. Beautiful. Look at that.
There you go.
There you go. This one you take down.
Oh my God. That is sweet.
Wow.
Holy crap.
God, why don't I have my phone on me? Of all the times.
I'm videotaping it.
Thank you. You can, look at that bird. That's a bat. That's a bat. That was a huge bat.
Smack my shoulder, John. Okay, good.
Oh! That was pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. Here it comes. Good ones. They shot up 5 of them earlier. Look at that. On your phone, they just twinkle. They like twinkle on your phone. Looks good. You zooming in? You can zoom in on it, man. Yeah, it is. Now you got good ones. Wow. Who's looking at us? Told you. It's a good view. Cause you're sitting up. Whoa.
Just don't kill yourself. Beanie, don't do that. Baby, don't do that, please.
Too little for that kind of stuff.
Shh, John. It's not. Just please don't do it.
Yes.
John,
Here,
let her
Bina,
sit on your shoulder.
In a second, I'll get down and you can
Whoa.
stand up.
Here it comes.
Here. Hold on, Pedro.
Pretty.
Look at those fires.
Please don't let her fall, Sam.
Mama. That was a good one.
I'm just making sure.
Yeah, stop patting. What?
Sam.
I was holding on to her. I wasn't going to let her fall. I was
Look at that. Look at that.
You were finna to kill her, Sam.
Give me your phone. I can get it.
It's a video.
That's cool. Yeah, that's the one you... Whoa! That's an expensive
It's
firework.
funny how the sound is...
You know how expensive those fireworks are?
Light travels faster than sound.
But they don't like
Those mortars, they shoot like that.
Saturn.
All of them. Size of grapefruits, some of them bowling balls.
What's the size of a bowling ball?
Can you...
Some of the mortars they shoot.
Can you...
Oh, that one's pretty.
Bigger the bill,
I
the higher it
one of
is
them.
up.
I like the ones that are really big that fall and look like a weeping willow.
Why didn't we get Saturn?
Yeah, me too.
Why didn't we get Saturns when we went to Saturn? They're illegal. Saturns are?
You have to have like permits.
That's a big one.
You have to go south of the border.
Triple.
And south.
We set off as illegal, but it's not like these.
Saturns are the best.
These stupid little bugs are in the way.
Saturns are the coolest, man.
Look, look, look.
Whoa, we had those. We had a lot of those, but we didn't have the Saturns and the stars. How much money did you pay for just one Saturn?
Is Santa Penny's dead?
There it is. There. Oh my gosh, that is cool.
Independent black hole.
Whoa. You're an independent black hole. Isn't that called the ring, Diddy? Aren't they called rings? There's Saturn and then there's rings. Oh,
John, come stand right there. John, if you stand right there, you can see really good.
no, only took my spot.
No, not right there. Stand right there. Like on the first step.
It's good, it's good. I like this stuff.
Oh, this is better than that.
That one's better because you're behind it. Yeah, Mom, stand right there.
Here it comes, here it comes.
You can
I
Good
know,
one.
but I
It's a
still, all
good
the
one,
trees
watch.
and everything still stick up on me.
Come on, if I can stand there and see all the fireworks, you
Yeah, I
can.
don't know what's under that.
I was making them see if Mom can see better back here.
My glasses. Where's my glasses? Scooby-Doo.
Whoa, look at that one.
See if you can good in that Mom.
Oh,
That's one of my favorites.
Yeah, that's awesome. It does look like old.
the best one's the Saturn.
It's like, look at
There's
it.
a-
It's coming at you.
It's like crazy.
This is a good one. Look way up.
Oh,
That sounded like a big one.
whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Heck no.
Sam, can you help her? It's right there, baby. Sam, help her get down.
No way like it.